Hi, this is the basement's car park sanitary and the rainwater piping layout, where the wastewater is collected from the four waste corner and discharged to the waste sump and towards the main external drain. This is the actual site where the construction of the basements are in progress. The locations of the waste sump is around here next to the parquet location. The parquet locations where the waste sump is constructed next to it. This area is available to start the excavations and installations of the waste sump. And after the excavation, we'll start to lay the formwork and start the parka piling work. Based on the code of practice, parka piling is required for the soft ground, where the link concrete will be based on grade 20. Link concrete is in progress and together with the formwork and laying the BRC as well. After the laying the BRC, we'll start to do the concreting work for the base concrete, link concrete. So after the link concrete together with the waste sump link concrete, the link concrete thickness is 150 based on grade line 20, and it's the same as the waste sump. The link concrete is also based on the grade line 20 thickness of 150. After the link concrete completed, we'll start the installations of the wastewater piping together with the waste sump, concrete waste sump. And after installation of piping together with the hanger, we'll start to test the piping to confirm there's no leakage. So after finish the testing, we will haunch the whole pipe. Haunching the whole pipe also based on the grade 20. To haunch the whole. Haunching of the pipe is in progress and together with the hanger. And after haunching the pipe, we'll start to do the backfilling. And finally, you can see it already complete backfill with the ice, with the waste sump and waste sump together with the pipeline and complete the installations of the wastewater pipe. That's all. Thank you.